It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be picking up the house and getting all the things done. Come here, you want to say hi?
Hi.
So if you didn't see yesterday's video, I made a bunch of yummy Christmas treats for toddlers, or really just for kids in general. So Brooks has been snacking on those today and loving them. So I'll have that video linked down below if you want to check it out. But I am, like I said, gonna try to get a ton of stuff done around the house. I've got laundry to do, I've got just picking up around the house. I need to get my Christmas cards ready and mailed out. I need to wrap Christmas presents. So it's going to be a very busy but productive day. So if you guys need some mommy motivation, cleaning motivation, just some motivation to get some stuff done, you're in the right place. And let's go ahead and get into it. All right, you guys know it. We're starting out in the kitchen doing some dishes. And I'm just starting out by putting everything to one side, and I'm going to fill the other up with water and my favorite Mrs. Meyer's dish soap and the peppermint scent. So if you guys have never heard of Mrs. Meyer's, I usually get all of them from Grove Collaborative, and I actually have a code where you can get a free 5-piece Mrs. Meyer's set with a $20 purchase. So I'll have that linked down below. That's also in most of my cleaning videos, so if you ever see it or need to use it, that's where you can find it. But I do have a dishwasher, but I just prefer to wash small loads of dishes by hand just to get it done and out of the way, especially if there isn't very much. So that is what I am doing here, and then drying and putting them away. And then Brooks got some of his boots muddy, so I was just going to soak those a little bit and then clean them off. So while I let those soak, I'm going to wipe my countertops down. I'm using my Natural Route multi-surface cleaner. This is one of my friend's cleaners that she makes, and it is in the candy cane scent, and it smells so good. And it also works really great. So I'm just wiping down the countertops, and then my Keurig. This thing gets so dirty. I don't know what it is, but it's like coffee splashes on it everywhere. So I'm always having to wipe that down and everywhere around it. And then I'm wiping down my other countertop while Brooks is watching some Mickey in the background. But I will say, we just got an Alexa, or I'm not even sure what it's called, an Amazon something or another, where you can talk to it. And I have been loving it. So while I've been cleaning, I had her playing some Christmas music, and it was just the best. So now I'm going to scrub off the dirt on his boots, and then I'm going to clean off the sink with some Comet. I just wanted to use something that would really get in there and get all the bacteria from the boots and just the dishes off. So I'm just giving the sink a real quick scrub down. And this stuff isn't my favorite. I usually use the Mrs. Meyer's surface scrub, but I was out and I had a little bit of this left on hand, so I thought it would do for the time being, but I'm going to try to use this up and then get more of the natural stuff. But after I rinsed out the sink, I just took a dry rag and wiped off all of the water. That way there wasn't any water spots or anything left in the sink. So there's nothing better than a clean sink and a clean kitchen for that matter. So to top it all off, I am going to burn a Bath & Body Works candle. This one is the crushed candy cane scent, and it smells so good. Let me know if you guys got any candles on National Candle Day from Bath & Body Works a few weeks ago. But now I'm heading into the living room to tackle this mountain of laundry that I have. I don't know about you guys, but I despise doing laundry. It's just not one of my favorite chores to do at all, but it has to be done, so that's what I'm gonna do here and just get it knocked out.
Merry Christmas Day. Oh, Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Played it with me under the mistletoe while Santa's busy saying ho ho.
We held a get-together this past week, so I took all of my tablescape off of it. So I just wanted to give my table a quick wipe down using that same The Natural Route cleaner, and just wipe down the chairs and the bench and everything, and then I'm going to put my tablescape stuff back on the table. That way it's just set for Christmas time. Let me know if you guys do this as well, or if you just leave it on and eat around it. I know with us, we hardly ever use our kitchen table. We always eat at the bar, so if we don't have people over, we pretty much don't even use the table. I know once our family grows, we won't be able to do that as much, but for now, it's just me, Taylor, and Brooks, and it works out for us.
Christmas Day.
Okay, I just finished 2 loads of laundry, put them away, but I wanted to show you guys an ornament that I got the other day. It was just at one of those like places in the mall where they have like customized like names they write on. And I found this one here. So it's just a little door with a wreath over it. And it says the Cashes, and it's got our new home and the year we bought it. So I thought that was so cute. I loved the black door since that's what we have on our house. And I put it in the tree in our room. I just have a couple ornaments in here. Like this one was whenever we got engaged. And then I have just some extra ones as fillers. But those 2 I thought were really special. But I thought it was so cute because that's kind of how my front door looks anyway. Okay, and I went the other day to get our Christmas cards printed, and I asked over on Instagram like where people like to get them done at, but when I was looking online, it looked like a lot of places online, if I wanted them shipped to the house, it was going to be like 5 to 7 days to have anything personalized. So, and I wanted to use our Christmas pictures, so I ended up trying to go to Sam's and get them printed since that's where I normally go. It is super cheap to do it there too. Online, I was looking at like $40, and then at Sam's it was like, I think it was 30 cards for $10. So really, really cheap. So anyways, I tried to order them from Sam's, and I noticed that it wouldn't let me pick up in store, which I thought was kind of weird because that's where I pretty much get all of my pictures printed and edited. I just will grab them at Sam's while I'm there grocery shopping. And anyways, I went to the store. I'm like, well, I'll just make it there because you can typically like make the cards right there at the store. And the photo center is just gone. So Sam's doesn't even have, or my Sam's doesn't have a photo center at all anymore. So you can't get prints, you can't get anything. Everything that you do has to be online. So that kind of stinks. So then I'm like, all right, well, where am I gonna go? And then I remembered Walmart does them too. And I figured they probably wouldn't be like the best quality. Sam's was okay. I wouldn't say it's great, but got the job done. And anyways, I went to Walmart online, designed them, ordered them, and I had a couple of trouble. Like they had one machine down, so they kept calling me saying they couldn't do that certain kind. I don't even know. But anyways, I finally got it figured out. So next year, I'm just gonna order online, and I'm going to just figure on ordering them like the 1st of December or as soon as our Christmas pictures come back. I just hadn't got our pictures back yet, so I was waiting to order it because of that, because I wanted to use them. But I will insert some of the Christmas pictures here. I love our photographer so much. She is so good with Brooks. We did like a mini session, and you guys, we were literally in and out in 12 minutes, which is crazy, but she got plenty of shots. We were so happy with it. Okay, I also got some regular prints for the pictures that we took. And I would not recommend Walmart like for good pictures. I typically just get like ones on my phone from there, but they're just not like the clearest. But here is the pictures. You guys can see. I love these so, so, so much. And I wanted to get one to put in this Ray Dunn picture frame. I got this from TJ Maxx. It was $12.99. But this is like a rare find for around here. So I think my mom actually found it for me. But Anyways, I'm going to put this picture of us in there, and it's gonna go on the bookshelf in our living room. So those are the pictures. Okay, and here's the Christmas cards. I think I paid $11.88 for 20 of these, and they are a 5x7, and they did come with envelopes, so that wasn't too bad. I just did this all online. You could change like the monogram and the wording, and I just added the year and our names down there, but I think it turned out so cute. Let me know where you guys get all of your Christmas cards down below so I know for next year. I did check out Shutterfly and they seem to have some pretty good pictures, but I just didn't want to wait for shipping. So how cute does that picture look? Oh my gosh, I love it in this Ray Dunn picture frame. And then I went to go put it on the bookshelf and Brooks had moved all of the nativity set around. He loves doing this, but I'm just putting it back together and then putting the picture frame in. So there it is, and you can see the pictures from years past. I love having those to look out every now and then, but now I'm going ahead and putting our Christmas cards in the envelopes and getting addresses on them so I can mail them out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini Christmas cleaning and prep video. If you did, please make sure to like it and give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you guys are new. I would love to have you here. Let me know if you're new in the comments and what your plans for Christmas are, and if you do Christmas cards, I'd love to hear where you get them from. So thank you guys again for watching. You guys mean so much to me, and I will see you in tomorrow's video for Vlogmas. See you guys.
There is magic in.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so